In today's economy, it's more important than ever to find ways to make extra money. And what could be easier than making money by simply typing names online? I'm not talking about some shady scheme where you have to pay to get started or anything like that. I'm talking about a legitimate opportunity that anyone can take advantage of. So how does it work? It's actually quite simple. You just type in a name, and boom, you've made money. Then you type in another name, and boom, you've made even more money. It's that easy. And there's no limit to how much you can make. For each document of names, you can earn $15. So if you did 5 documents in a day, you'd earn $75. And if you did 20 documents in a day, you'd earn an incredible $300. Few hours of work. Welcome to Best Money. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can earn money every day with just your mobile phone or your laptop. This method is 100% free and it's available worldwide. So, if you're from anywhere in the world, you can make money with this method. All you need is an internet connection and you're good to go. Now, the sign-up process for this method is a little bit tricky and most people fail on the first try. So, I highly recommend that you stay with me through the whole video and I'll show you every part from the start to making money every day. But before we start, I want to remind you to like this video and subscribe to the channel if you loved it so far. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of our new videos on how to make money online. Okay, let's get started. If you're interested in making some extra money by typing up names in documents, then this is the method for you. This website has a calculator that lets you figure out how much you can earn for each project. In most cases, you'll earn 5 cents for each word you type. For example, if a project has 300 words, you'll earn $15 for that project. If you can do 20 projects per day, then you could earn $300 in a single day. So if you're looking for an easy way to make some extra cash, then give this method a try. So, how does this work? Essentially, companies or individuals who need data entered into a document will post a job listing online. They'll list the rate they're willing to pay per word, and you can decide if you want to apply for the job. Once you're hired, you'll be given the document, usually a PDF, and will be responsible for typing in the names or other data that's required. While the work may not be the most exciting, it can be a great way to earn some extra money. And, if you're a fast typer, you can potentially earn a decent hourly wage. If you're interested in getting paid to type names into documents, there are a few ways to find work. One option is to search for online job boards that specialize in data entry work. Another option is to contact companies directly and inquire about any data entry work they may have available. Do you want to know how to make money online for free? If so, then you should definitely check out talentdesire.com. This website offers a variety of different opportunities to work and earn from home, such as proofreading jobs, freelance blogging, language translation, and online surveys. One of the simplest ways to make money on talentdesire.com is through online typing jobs. This does not require any skill or prior experience, and you can earn anywhere from $13,500 to $27,000 per year, depending on your level. The best part about talentdesire.com is that registration is absolutely free. There are no hidden costs before or after joining, and you will not be asked to invest any money at any stage. If you're just starting out, you can expect to earn $3 for every 300-word document you complete. Once you get a little more experience under your belt, that number will go up to $3.60 per document. Once you become a professional, you can expect to earn $4.50 per document, and experts can earn up to $6 per document. Don't worry, even if you're just starting out, you won't be stuck earning the lowest amount. There are ways to increase your earnings, even if you're not an expert. I'll give you some tips on how to do that later in the video. If you can complete 1,300 words worth of work in a day, that comes out to $15 per day, or $300 per month. Now, if you're enjoying the video so far, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. That way, you won't miss any of our new methods for making money online, which are even better than this one. Now, let's get back to the video. I'm going to show you the first tip that will help you increase your earnings on this website. Go to rotatep.com. This website is a typing speed tester. You will need to take a free test on this website to get your results. These results will generate a certificate for you that proves you can type fast, which will then qualify you for online typing jobs that pay much more. Even if you are new, you can earn $15 for one document. With the certificate, you can get paid $300 in one day. You can work whenever and as much as you want. Watch the video to see how to get the certificate and apply for the job. The thing here is that you need to type this text as fast as you can and as accurate as you can. Make sure to get the best possible result, and when you get that certificate it will show them that you are a highly skilled typer and you will get your high-paid job quickly. This is my result when I finished my test. If you want a better result, you can repeat this test as much time as you want until you get the result that you think is good. Now when you finish your test you need to click on this button that says Improve Typing Speed. You can create a free account by putting your name here, email address here and your password here. After that you need to click on these two boxes here and click on the Sign Up button. Now once you logged in you can see your results here. When you scroll down you can find your typing certificate right here. Just click on the certificate and it will lead you to this page. Now when you scroll down you need to click on this print button here. You can save the image from your computer or from your phone. Now that you have your certificate, head back to talentdesire.com and scroll to the bottom of the page. Click on the red button that says Apply, /. There are a few steps to applying for this job, so pay close attention. The first step is to select an application form. Click on the online application form. On the next page, scroll down to fill in your personal information. But before you do, make sure to accept the privacy policy. Then, fill in your first name, last name, email, contact number, resident country and zip. Now here is the most important section. As a beginner, you can expect to earn $3 per document with 300 words. As you become more proficient, you can expect to earn $3.60 per document. Once you reach the level of a professional, you can expect to earn $4.50 per document. And finally, as an expert you can expect to earn $6 per document. However, don't worry if you're just starting out. You won't be paid the smallest amount. With a little effort, you can increase your earnings so that you're paid more than twice as much as an expert. Make sure to watch the video until the end. This will give you some valuable tips on how to get paid more. As a beginner, start by writing shorter documents. This will help you increase your speed and accuracy, which will lead to higher earnings. Once you've reached the level of a professional, you can start writing longer documents. This will help you earn even more money. Finally, as an expert, you can start writing very long documents. This will help you earn the most money possible. Here is a preferred job title. There are a few things you need to do when you first start looking for online typing jobs. You need to type in "online job typing" in the search bar and then select the best time for you to work. It is usually better to select all day because this will give you more jobs to do and therefore more money. After you have selected the best time for you, scroll down and pick your current profession status. In this case, we have chosen self-employed. After that, you will need to click on the little box to confirm that you have read and accepted the statement that is written above. Nowadays, the internet is full of opportunities. You can find a job without even leaving your house. All you need is a computer and an internet connection. There are many websites that offer online jobs. All you have to do is create an account and start looking for job offers. Once you find an offer that interests you, you can apply for it. If you are selected for the job, you will be given a task to complete. Once you complete the task, you will be paid for your work. You can earn a lot of money by working online. So, if you are looking for a way to earn some extra money, you should definitely consider working online. That's all for today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to hear more videos from our channel, subscribe and make sure to turn on the bell icon.